Hello everyone and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. In this video we will show you how to easily fix the blank screen or empty screen issue in the Installation Manager. Windows has a service called Attachment Manager that classifies some files as unsafe and block them, so we have to unblock them in order to use them. So to fix this, we have to go to the installation file folder and we have to go to the folder called SLDIM. Then we go to the folder lang, then English, then a folder called HTML, and then we can see a file called friendset.html. We have to right click on that file, properties, and then we can click unblock, apply, and OK. That should fix the issue. So we are going to test it. Go back to the main installation file folder and run the setup.exe. And it's fixed. Thank you for joining us and see you on the next Tech Tip Tuesday.